Picture this. You're standing in line at the mall food court. Your phone buzzes. Direct deposit notification. Your first paycheck just hit. For a split second, you feel rich. Like, I could buy everyone fries rich. Fast forward 7 days later. You're checking your balance again. It's somehow gone. No clue where it went. No memory, just vibes. And here's the wild part. That exact moment decides whether money will always stress you out or quietly work for you for the rest of your life. Today, I'll show you how to handle your first paycheck so future you doesn't hate present you, and so your money doesn't vanish like a Snapchat message. Stay with me. This matters way more than it sounds. Let me introduce two characters. Same age, same job, same paycheck. Alex spends first, thinks later. New shoes, delivery every night, random Amazon stuff at 2 a.m. Jordan pauses for 10 minutes before spending anything. Same paycheck. 6 months later, totally different lives. Alex, stressed, broke, waiting for payday like it's oxygen. Jordan, chill, saving, actually saying nah to shifts they don't want. So what's the difference? It's not how much they make, it's what they do the first 24 hours after getting paid. Most people mess this up because nobody explains it simply. That changes today. Lesson 1. Your first paycheck is a test, not a reward. Here's the truth nobody says out loud. Your first paycheck isn't proof you made it. It's a practice round. Think of money like a video game. Your paycheck is your energy bar. Spend it all immediately? Game over fast. Manage it well? You unlock harder levels. Real-life example. You get paid $400 from your part-time job. Your brain instantly goes, I worked hard. I deserve to spend this. Fair. But if you spend all $400 in 3 days, you didn't win. You just restarted the level. So, when your paycheck hits, do nothing for 24 hours. No spending, no transfers, just pause. That pause alone puts you ahead of most adults. Lesson 2. Split your money the second it lands. Money that sits together gets spent together. So we separate it. Super simple rule. Split your paycheck into 3 buckets. Spend, stuff you enjoy. Save, money future you keeps. Give or grow, goals, gifts, or investing later. No fancy math. If you want a starter split, 60% spend, 30% save, 10% grow or give. Got $400? $240 to spend, $120 to save, $40 for goals. Now, when the spending money is gone, you stop. No guilt, no stress, because you already won. The moment you get paid, move the save portion to a separate account, even if it's just $20. Out of sight equals harder to spend. Lesson 3. Saving isn't about being boring. Let's kill a myth real quick. Saving money does not mean no fun, no clothes, no food, no life. Saving is just paying yourself first. Quick scene. Present you, I want this hoodie. Future you, I want options. Saving is choosing options. Options like quitting a job you hate, paying for a trip without stress, not panicking when your phone breaks. Tiny win example. Saving $10 from every paycheck. That's nothing until it's $200, then $500. Then suddenly you're the friend who isn't broke. Action step. Set an automatic transfer, even $5. Automation beats motivation every time. Lesson 4. Lifestyle inflation is the silent killer. This one's sneaky. You get paid, you upgrade everything. Better food, better clothes, more subscriptions. Your income goes up, but so does your spending. Congrats, you're still broke, just in nicer shoes. Ever notice how people making more money still complain about being broke?
That's lifestyle inflation. Money comes in, lifestyle stretches to eat it. For your first 3 paychecks, don't upgrade your life. Upgrade your buffer. Let your savings grow before your spending does.
Lesson 5. Past you versus future you. Imagine future you pulls up. Same face, better posture, calmer energy. They say, "Hey, thanks for not blowing everything." Then they show you what that saved money turned into. Freedom, choices, confidence. Or another version pulls up. They say nothing. They just look disappointed. Yeah, awkward. Name your savings account something like Future Me or Freedom Fund. Sounds silly, works ridiculously well.
Pitfalls and misconceptions. Let's roast a few common mistakes. Mistake number 1, I'll save whatever's left. Translation, you won't save anything. Mistake number 2, it's just $10. Yeah, that's what just $10 says before disappearing forever. Mistake number 3, treating payday like a holiday. You celebrate once, bills celebrate every month. Mistake number 4, keeping all money in one account. That's like leaving snacks on your desk and expecting self-control. Mistake number 5, thinking this doesn't matter yet. This is when it matters the most.
Action steps. Practical, easy to follow. Here's your first paycheck playbook. Pause 24 hours before spending anything. Split their paycheck immediately. Save at least something. $5 counts. Keep savings in a separate account. Don't upgrade your lifestyle yet. Name your savings so it feels real. That's it. No apps required. No finance degree, just basic discipline. Here's the big idea. Your first paycheck doesn't decide how much money you'll make. It decides how you'll treat money forever. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start right. Handle this one moment well, and future you gets options instead of stress. So when that paycheck hits, pause, split, save. And if this helped you even a little, pass it on, because nobody teaches this, but everyone wishes they learned it sooner. See you next time.